This is Kishore. So today I'm here with the concept where we can do the face recognition using Amazon recognition. Yes, so I'll tell you the whole process how we can do the face recognition. So this is the application which I have developed today. So I have added the solution architecture as well. So if you see this solution architecture, we are going to create Amazon collection, and with the in that collection we will be adding more images, and we can recognize the faces in that collection. So I mean, if you want to recognize particular faces, then you can use the collection and you can recognize it. So I'll just tell you how you can do it. First of all, let me show the demo. So you can see this is the application where you can see first of all you need to create the collection. So you can do the recognize as well, but if I go for recognize, so it is, you can see there is no collection over here to select because I'm not created any collection yet. So let me just upload face, say Akshay image, and I'm not able to select anything. I mean, I don't have created any collection over here. So if I click on this recognize face, it will say we need to select a collection. So that we need to create a collection, right? So I can directly click here and go for creating that collection, or else I can go back to home and I can go to creating the collection. So, so here you can see this is a collection page where we can create a collection or we can delete also. Creating the collection, you can see collection, my collection one has been created right now. And you can see the collection as a card. So if I just click on this, it will delete. So I'm not going to delete now. We can create a multiple collection as well. Okay, now it is created. Now I can go for recognize. So see, now you can see this collection. If you have created a multiple collection, then it will show multiple collections. But I'm not, so I have created only collection, one connection. So it's showing only one connection. So let me just upload the Akshay Kumar image and recognize face. I have not trained anything in this collection. So whatever, whatever the image I'm going to recognize now, it will not, recognize the person because I didn't train any person now. So I created the collection. That's it. I'm not added any faces to that collection. So if you want to do that, you can go to register faces. You can do it in the home page as well. And also you can do it here as well. So now you can see it is saying that not recognized and not recognized face. The result is showing here also. So why? Because I'm not trained any faces to this collection. So let me just train the face. I can go to here as well. I can go with here as well. So I'll go with the home only so that you can understand. So now I'll register the face. So here also it will show the collection. If you have a multiple collection, it will show that particular collections. You can select the collection and you can have a name. Here actually the thing is, if we don't have to give the space, it will give a warning for you if you give the space. So I'm not going to give the space. I'll just train. I'll train with the old Akshay Kumar image. So it is going to train, and it is totally depend on your internet speed because it will hit the AWS AWS server, and it will create the collection. So here you can see it is saying that the result for Akshay Kumar, it is indexed the face, and it is saying that successfully registered the face. So now I think we can recognize a face. So we can go back to home or we can directly go for recognizing here as well. So I'll go with the here only. So we need to select this collection only because I have trained on this collection. So I need to select this collection and I will go for Akshay Kumar's new image, latest image. So I'll just recognize the face. Now it should be able to recognize Akshay Kumar. So it is now searching for Akshay Kumar face in this collection. So if you have selected some other collection, then it will not recognize because I have not trained in other collection, and also I don't have the other collection as well. So it might take some time because I said it will totally depend on your internet speed because it will hit the API and it will get the result and it will show in the application. So I got the result. See, now it is saying that it is Akshay Kumar. So let me upload some multiple persons image where Akshay Kumar is also present and some other persons also there. So let me click on recognize. Yeah, now you can see Akshay Kumar, it is detecting Akshay Kumar, and rest of the person is saying that not recognized, and you can see the result over here as well. So this is the application which I have developed today, and yeah, so you can create a multiple collection, and you can delete as well. So if I just delete this collection, now you see you will not be able to recognize Akshay Kumar because that collection has been deleted. Now I don't have any collection. I need to create a new collection and I need to register face, and then I need to recognize the person. This is about face recognition using Amazon Recognition. For this, we need a credential from AWS. So how we can do it? That I will explain you. Just a minute. First of all, let me show you the folder structure. So now you can see I have this file, new user credentials. This is very important. Without this, we cannot access the collection or any AWS service. So I'll tell you how to create this file with the AWS. So you can get all the code in the GitLab. I will give the link in the description. So you can download this repository and you can run this application. But I'm not going to give the credential file. You need to use your own account. So how we can create that credentials? So first of all, you need to have the AWS account. So after creating the AWS account, so you need to go to the IAM. You can search it for a service IAM. That is, if you click on that, there you need to create a user. So let me explain how you can create a user. So I have clicked on IAM, Identity Access Management. So after that, I need to create a user. So I'm just clicking on user here. So I already have an user, so I was using that. So if so in your case it might be different. So if you want to add user, so you can click over here, add user. So then you need to name your user something, whatever you want to say, user one. So next we need to give the programmatic access, and so then we need to click on, just a minute, hold on, yeah, next. So here actually we need to attach existing policies. This is very important. So if we need to attach one policy, that is Amazon recognition. Amazon recognition. So just a minute. See, this policy we need to add. Otherwise, we cannot able to do the face recognition. So Amazon recognition full access we need to add in the user. So once you attach this, you can add the tag also, but it is not mandatory. You can click on next. So I have added this policy to my user. I mean the user. So I can click on create user. So after you creating the user, it will provide you a download option for you can download the CSV file. Once you download that CSV file, you need to place it over in this folder, in the main folder. So if you see this my program, you need to place it over here, that file. So next, once you creating that credential, now you are good to run with this application. So what you need to do is you need to install all the libraries in the requirements, and then you can start the app.py. I mean, you can run the app.py, then it will open the web application. Then you can create a collection over using this UI, and then you can register faces, and you can recognize the faces as well. So this is about face recognition using Amazon recognition. Thank you.